Mr. Mrs. Device's wharf. I'll walk along the other side in a minute. Cross over. Two narrow boats. I'm working on the river. On the canal, sorry. Read that later. Oh, it's 87 miles long. 3 parts River Avon from Bristol to Bath. Read it there. It's the River Kennet and Newbury to Reading. It's called the Kennet and Avon Canal. Narrow boats turning. Juggling around down here. A little bit undercover. Where's my camera? There's a swan. Or two. Back we go. We've been pulling up. Narrow boat. Got stuck together just on the bit of help. Ooh, here comes the rain. Here we go. What's that purple on the inside? The other one's coming down. I'm in the boring race. And why not? Cut ahead. Walk towards that. Suppose I could have picked a better day, but hey, here we go. So we're main road ahead. Take me out of Devizes. Chicken and Melksham. And then there's the lock behind. There you go, off behind. Look at the hand. That later run out of the rain. It's the lock. Got the main road. Hopefully we're going to cross over. We'll see. Sheltering into the bridge there. Lock's the other side. And we're heading down towards see the water coming out. Look carefully under the gate there. So there's about 20 odd locks down here as it goes downhill. Get a view of a few of them. I don't think I'm walking all the way today because it's too wet. Because it's eased off a bit, but it's still raining. the main road down there. So it's like steps on the canal. You step your way down and you step your way back up. With a lock. Mutton way to lock. And we'll head towards the road. Been down that road many times. Never been down here before. So I'm exploring today as well. They're coming to see me. It's duck weather. I haven't got anything that I can give them. I have to say, didn't I? Mallard ducks.